Hello, welcome everybody. What's he doing? The roads themselves, some of them are a bit wet. I'm just going to have a nice ride out. Some of these roads are a bit twisty as well, so you've got to be a bit careful. I've been down them a few times, so like I've been down them a lot. They're a bit narrow. It's a lovely day. Must have rained last night. It was raining when I was working up to 10 o'clock. So I got a bit wet going home. I did a video on that one. And I did also do the VR ones, but nobody's let me know if the VR ones functioning properly in their in the VR headsets. So if anybody can leave a comment on them, that would be great. Oh, a post box. It's a dinky one, isn't it? And some of these bends are a bit wet. Oh, the sun hasn't got to them. All these lovely trees. I'm trying to find the right turn down here. So I want to go down a certain road. It's like a bridge that goes over the motorway and then goes down to a little village with a lake. Here we go, I think this is it. I'm braking on the bend. I forgot to say it with a video one. Stay off the bloody manholes. Look out for them. They're everywhere. Now we're in the countryside. And there's 3 helicopters up there going somewhere. Don't know where they're going. Going out for a joyride in a helicopter. Better concentrate on what I'm doing rather than looking at the sky and the scenery. There's a car coming out of the way, they're a bit thin, these roads. Be careful of braking on the wet corners. Yes, but look at that lovely countryside. The clouds everywhere and stuff. Clouds everywhere. And 3 helicopters. They must be chasing a UFO. They're chasing one of my friends. You never know, lad, you never know. Some funny houses down here, right up there, you know, right big houses and stuff. Houses. Not like I live in. I live in a housing association house with my lovely family. Oh, oops, what's going on here? Oh, it's a big lorry trying to overtake something. Oh dear, a lorry and a big lorry and a little van got stuck. Right, I'm going to drop it off here, alright, and then I'll catch you up down by the water.